my name is Mohammed Ashwin, and in this video I'm going to show you how two components in Vue.js talk to each other. So this communication is going to be from child to the parent. So if child wants to send something to the parent, this is how it's going to be. For the creation of this tutorial, I'm going to use this Tailwind CSS, and this link specifically, which I will include in the description, will tell you how you can include Tailwind with Vue.js. I find it the easiest to start the Vue.js by this, and it also comes with Tailwind if I want to start something. So that's how it's going to work. So let's get started. Once you go through this, at the end you must see something npm run dev, and then you must see something on localhost port, whatever port it will tell you to. So let's shift to the VS Code. I've created this components directory already, but this is empty, so I'm gonna create a child component here, and I'm gonna copy paste everything from the app. I will rename it to child. I don't think we need this components, and I'm gonna remove this image, and I'm just gonna have put here a button, click, and when it clicks I want to emit, and I want to call this event shout, and I want to tell it this shout is coming from child1, and then I'm gonna close it and child1. Now I'm gonna import this into the parent. Import child from components child, and I've declared it here as well, so child. And when I should see something, and I don't see something. What's wrong? Okay. Looks right. Something went wrong, and I'm not sure what. Let's inspect on the console. Yeah. Okay. So you have to include this view thing here, and then I'm gonna give this child a name specifically here, so I will call it John, and I will call the other one Jane. And here we gotta declare props, and gotta call it string. And I think we can call it, and it should work. Yep. So we have John and Jane. I'm gonna give it some classes. So bgrad 500 px4, which means padding x4, padding y2, text wide, rounded corners, so border radius looks better, and maybe margin right 3, much better. Now we have names. We can remove this child thing and put the name here. Should be working. Works. Okay, now we are emitting this shout event, and when this event is triggered, we want to call something on the parent to notify which child is shouting. In order to do that, this is how we are going to bind this event with the parent at shout. Who is shouting? I will copy paste this here as well, and beneath in the I have to create this methods object, and then I have to create this who is shouting name, and just an alert box telling me the name of who is shouting. And if everything went well, it should work. So if you click, it sends parent an event, and a parent tells okay with some data, and parent tells okay, this is shouting, or Jane is shouting, or John is shouting again. I hope you liked this, and would be best to hear what you have to say about this video. Thank you. Bye.